Upgrade your parking lot with Plasticade rubber parking stops, the durable, eco-friendly solution built to last. Made from recycled rubber, these stops won't crack, chip, or crumble like concrete. They resist oil, salt, moisture, and UV exposure, delivering reliable performance in every season. With molded-in reflective stripes in yellow or white, enhanced white glass beads for superior reflectivity, drivers can see them clearly day or night. Plasticade even offers ADA-compliant blue option, perfect for designating handicap spaces without fading or peeling. At just 35 pounds, the 6-foot stop is easy to install on asphalt or concrete, and with included hardware, one person can do the job in just minutes. Proudly made in the USA, Plasticade parking stops are the smart choice for safety, visibility, and durability. Plasticade rubber parking stops, built to last, designed for safety.